May not som uzajmējamies. Are we on the brink of a weight loss revolution? In this video, we'll discuss how Mounjaro helps people lose weight. And at the end, we shall discuss how to use Mounjaro safely to lose weight. Mounjaro, also known as tirzepatide, is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. Originally designed to treat type 2 diabetes, Mounjaro has shown remarkable results in clinical trials for weight loss. Participants have experienced unprecedented weight reductions, some losing up to 22.5% of their body weight. This is a significant leap forward in the field of weight loss medications. For years, people have struggled to find safe and effective solutions for managing their weight. Mounjaro offers a beacon of hope for those who have tried countless diets and exercise regimes with limited success. The excitement surrounding Mounjaro is palpable, and rightly so. I have helped patients lose significant weight with Mounjaro. In fact, one of my middle-aged patients lost so much weight that she told me she was last this weight when she was 17 years old. However, it's crucial to approach this new medication with a balanced perspective. Understanding how it works, its potential benefits and potential risks is paramount before considering it as a weight loss solution. As with any medication, consulting a healthcare professional is essential. Let's delve into the science behind Mounjaro and explore why it's causing such a stir in the medical community and beyond. Mounjaro's effectiveness lies in its unique ability to target two key hormones in the body, GLP-1 and GIP. These hormones play a crucial role in regulating appetite and blood sugar levels. By mimicking the effects of GLP-1 and GIP, Mounjaro helps individuals feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, slows down the rate at which food empties from the stomach, creating a feeling of satiety. GIP, or glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, complements GLP-1 by enhancing insulin production in response to food intake. This dual-action mechanism effectively tackles both appetite control and blood sugar management. The combined impact of GLP-1 and GIP stimulation makes Mounjaro a powerful tool for weight loss. By addressing the underlying hormonal imbalances that contribute to weight gain, Mounjaro offers a more comprehensive approach compared to traditional weight loss medications. It's important to note that Mounjaro is not a magic bullet. Lifestyle modifications, including a healthy diet and regular exercise, remain crucial for long-term weight management. However, Mounjaro can be a valuable asset in conjunction with these lifestyle changes, helping individuals achieve their weight loss goals more effectively. If you have a family history or personal history of thyroid cancer, pancreatitis, breastfeeding, or pregnant, then you should not take Mounjaro. Also, if you develop any abdominal pain or vomiting, or any side effect with Mounjaro, see your family doctor. Before you start Mounjaro, or before any increase, any dose of Mounjaro, make sure you consult your family doctor. I usually start Mounjaro at 2.5 mg subcutaneously weekly for 4 weeks. Then I increase to the next dose, which is 5 mg, if the 2.5 mg dose was tolerated. I generally increase the dose every 4 weeks. The maximum dose is 15 mg, and most patients on this dose lose a lot of weight. However, some patients lose a lot of weight at 5 mg and 7.5 mg. So Mounjaro is tailored differently for everyone. You're not in competition with anyone, so you may require more or less than other patients on Mounjaro. Please subscribe to Dr. GT channel for other health tips. In subsequent videos, we'll discuss Ozempic